What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad y'all are tuning in. So we are at TX2K25 here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get all the shots as best as I can. We're gonna make this video pretty good, and hopefully y'all can hear me. I know there's a lot of wind noise, so that's probably what y'all are hearing right now. Sorry about that, but anyway, guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And yeah, guys, let's go ahead and continue it. Oh snap, we got the Honda Civics from Fast and Furious. Yep. It's a nice RX-7.
Yeah, you were thinking about
RX-7, I think.
Oh, it's an RX-7 with like a weird ass front end on it.
Go to that booth right there. Y'all take your time.
This ain't your ordinary F-150, because look at that. And we got that nice Skyline, Paul Walkers, that looks sick. See some nice supercars over here, Audi R8 and a Lambo. Love the blue color, I like the white with like the blackish rims on there. Another Audi R8, gold wheels, got the meats in the back. Nice McLaren 720S. Nice little Evo. Oh snap, it's the really fast Lamborghini, the underground racing.
Couple days, the class waiting their turns. That will be a hard those guys got round one easy victories with
some more Supras, all running the big tires in the back, ready to go. ZR1, baby. Got a little Smurf blue C8, a couple GTRs right there. Got some more GTRs over here. Very nice. Big meets on an Acura NSX. Got some nice vets, C6 vets on 3.
With the Elite 8, the fastest
Nice
cars on the
Corvette.
property. Then we're going to run all the other semifinals. Then we're going to bring the winners.
Look at this lineup of GTRs, Lamborghinis, Audi R8s. Crazy. A lot of Mopar over here. You see the big blowers on these cars? Look at that. Get some more. Get some more. Nice C5 right there. And then a C7 Z06 and a C6, probably Z06 a little bit further down. Let me get that. Hang on, I'll show y'all the C5 again. That is clean, clean, clean. Rocking a little C4, got some action going on there. Man, the F40. Oh, smokes. Oh, there's what's his face? On 3, right there. That was on 3. Well, the one that was revving.
So you gotta park with the pheasant.
Nice vets, pretty much everywhere. Dang, that's crazy.
Thunder over there, kicking that.
He's at the track.
Looks like my old one. Little Fox body. You can see the action right there. Do that in the video.
Hi, Billy.
Ty, look, you're here. I didn't know you were here. There's your Mach 1 right there.
We'll bring him down.
Probably just have to talk to him a little more.
Got a Hellcat. I like that red supercharger lid. I might do something like that when I get my Z06. Got a nice Shelby GT500, the 13 to 14 year model. An Acura NSX, pink. Another GT500, but it's the newer model. As you can see. Nice CTSV, Z01. Oh, and a Terminator. Oh man. Oh man, we got a big blower on this Terminator. I know this thing is crazy, crazy.
Another one.
Now watch your step. Guys, that's insane.
Crazy a little bit.
Got some nice Vets, some exotics, Lamborghinis, Audi R8s, pretty much everything. Got another twin turbo R8. Some more Vet action. Don't know what this is. Grand Sport. Grand Sport. Probably a Z06 over here. Oh yeah, that's the one with the big crazy stuff on it that it had earlier. We got HEB Moolah over here. HEB Moolah. Yeah, I guess they're going through there.
This is a strip club right here.
Alright guys, hopefully y'all have enjoying the night beats. Lots of nice crazy noises, and the show here has been insane. As y'all can see, just all around. But yeah, this has been a crazy night meet for Texas 2K here in Dallas, day number one. But yeah, it's crazy. So we out here, and I'm trying to get Sandy in the video, and it's pretty bright. I know the light, but it's working. So I'm gonna see if I can get some flybys here. Man, I don't know if my hair is dusty from this freaking dust in Dallas, but god dang. But we fixing to get some shots, hopefully, here. Y'all stay tuned. Okay. Another vet. Oh shoot, the Popo 5-0. Race trucks, man. These race trucks. Single cab race trucks. Camaro gone.
They didn't always that's where QT. That's the best part.
Red STO Huracan next to a white C706. Clean, clean, clean. Woo! Cops are coming. We're busted. Alright guys, so that was pretty much the video that y'all saw. It is the next morning and we're about to head back to San Antonio. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, the photos, all the video of night and day, the content of everything. And great Texas 2K25 here in Dallas. And I'm excited to do the next one for next year. So y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. And this is the Road Vet out, aka Jared. Until the next video, peace guys, y'all take care.